Christmas-themed parties are in full swing, but you are not stuck with an ugly sweater and you need it now. That's your issue. Well, guess what? We're going to help you. We'll look no further as we've got the easy steps to easily DIY your Christmas sweater, thanks to owner of the fashion class, Kerri Quigley, up from New York. Kerri, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me. I am so excited to be here.
That's great. Welcome to Toronto. We're thrilled. So what are the benefits or the bonuses of like making your own? Because ugly Christmas sweaters really have taken off in the past few years.
Exactly.
Even, you know, ugly Christmas suits, like it really became a thing. So why should we make them instead of buy them?
Well, you don't have to spend the money to buy one. Making one is much cheaper. You can use a sweater that you already have. And then everything on these is completely removable. So come January 1st, you can have your sweater back. And like I said, just saving money for the holidays is really a wonderful reason.
Yeah, good sustainability factors too,
Yes,
I think.
yes.
Yeah.
For sure, but it also helps. It's not just a fun activity. Motor skills come into play?
Yes, for children specifically, it is a wonderful way to develop fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, plus crafting boosts your mood and it reduces stress. So it's good for adults as well.
I love that you're saying that because every time I craft with Sid, his mood is boosted.
Other people's moods go down when I
Sid's
craft.
goes way up.
So we'll play around with the science on that here.
Yeah.
Okay,
so we've got lots to do apparently.
We do,
yeah.
yes. Okay, so like I said, everything on these sweaters is removable, so you can decorate them for all your holiday parties.
Okay.
Come January 1st, take everything off, get your sweater back. So it's a no-waste craft. And to do that, we have these handy-dandy micro-stitch tools. So you guys can pick these up.
Very powerful.
And I cut out a bunch of fun shapes and letters from felt.
Cool.
So all you do
is I've got a snowman.
You've got a snowman, yes.
Frosty.
I have a wreath.
And Sid has a wreath.
I have some letters here, which are a little bit more difficult.
Yeah, ring around the Sydney. Okay.
And you're simply going to push the micro stitch tool through the front of the sweater and pull that little trigger button on the micro stitch. And it attaches these little felt shapes to your sweater.
Are you loving it? No, you're doing it, Sid.
Am I?
It's so, this is a wonderful fashion tool as well. If you're not making a Christmas sweater and need to do things quickly.
Yes.
It is really powerful and fun.
Let's try it again.
Okay, Sid, you got it.
And there you go.
You got it.
You got it.
And Kerri regrets this immediately.
No. Kerri's on a plane back to New York. Yeah.
So as you guys are doing that, you want to kind of do quite a few of them. Make sure you're going through the front of the sweater. Sorry. We're going to move you on to the next step.
Let's do that. Perfect time.
I have these cute little colorful safety pins. And tiny ornaments. So if you want to use something else and give your sweater a little movement, like that one that I made, you can simply safety pin. Beautiful, wow.
Nice.
You can simply safety
one of us
pin.
is carrying responsibility.
Through the front of your sweater, close that up, and you can attach as many of these little ornaments that you want.
Oh, that's very
cute. You can
cute.
attach some snowflakes if you want.
Kerri, how many are too many ornaments for the ugly sweater? Like, when does a sweater get too ugly? Like, how many ornaments? It never can never get too ugly?
You totally cover in sparkles, glam, glitz, and lights. I have lights on mine.
But
lights are cool.
Yeah, let's talk about the lights.
Yeah, the lights.
Because that is very, that's very pro.
Yes, so these are just fairy lights, battery-operated fairy lights, and they're so thin, you can literally weave them through a sweater and pull them out when you're done with them.
And then the battery packs just
put it in a pocket.
Wherever. Cool.
Yeah, put it on your pants. Yeah.
I hadn't seen that. I think that's awesome.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, that's really fun. Lots of movement.
So I can take everything off of that sweater and have my sweater back.
I know, but why would you, Kerri? Because the next season,
I want something new.
You want something new. I see. Okay, you want your wardrobe.
You could have an ugly Halloween sweater.
You could. He's seeing his wardrobe unfold. And great to do with kids, I'm sure too. For a family kind of activity.
Yes, turn off the screens and do something together as a family.
Amazing.
Fantastic.
I love this.
Okay, I think mine can only be helped so much.
There's only so much
you got to just keep going.
Anything else we need to know? This is great. This is fantastic.
Yeah, sure. So these tutorials are on my Instagram at the Fashion Class if anybody wants to make their own ugly Christmas sweater.
Awesome, Kerri. Again, from New York to TO, across the country. We appreciate you coming up.
Wonderful. Thanks for having me.
Happy holidays to you. And
how's your mood, Sid?
I've failed again.
Are you boosted? No.
I've failed again. Our craft score is Meredith 87.
No,
Me
Sid.
-5.
I love your
Okay, you want to compare?
It's beautiful.
Yeah,
Master Control would like us to compare. Here we go.
It is staying on your sweater.
Staying on.
I got 2 in.
Yeah, and you have a bobble. Well, I haven't bobbled. I was too busy.
Look at this. Boom. Crafts in the face. Look at that.
I think that's a nice effort.
Thank you for the slow clap, Noah. Bless your heart.
Yeah.
Kerri, thank you very much.